Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking Grizzly, and today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. All names and amounts of everything here will be in the description off to the side. Let's get started. First up is your chicken. Cut them into slices. If I say an exact measurement, it would be about 3 inches by 1.5. Once the chicken has been cut to your liking, let's marinate. You can do this for up to 4 hours or at the very least 30 minutes. Whatever you decide, make sure you cover and refrigerate until you're ready to use. Next up are the veggies. The great thing about this recipe is that all veggies here are completely optional and interchangeable. The ones you see me using here are what I had on hand and what I wanted to use. After your veggies are prepped, bring a small frying pan up to medium-high heat with some butter, place your chicken down, and to make good chicken, don't mess with it. Leave it on one side until it's golden brown for about 4 to 6 minutes depending on how thick your chicken pieces are, and then flip it once and cook it all the way through. Place aside your chicken and add your veggies to the same pan and saute for 3 or so minutes. Season to taste as you go. Once your veggies are nice and tender, add your cream and cook it for about 2 minutes. Add your chicken back and cook until the liquid is reduced to about half of what it was. It should look a little something like this. Set your filling to the side and place a small frying pan on the same burner. Set the heat to medium-low and add some butter and place a tortilla down. Add some cheese, add the filling, and place another tortilla on top. Cook until both sides are golden brown and serve while hot. And that's how you make a chicken quesadilla with veggies. Top with sour cream, salsa, or anything that you have on hand. Thanks for watching. Click on my channel to see what else we're cooking. Till next time.